Hello everyone in eEstate, and those of you that are looking to join eEstate platform, I am more than happy to tell you more about this platform and just to let you know that you can earn and withdraw daily. Now, I just want to show you that it is possible to earn on a daily basis and withdraw on a daily basis. So I am going to go to my back office and show you how this is possible. Okay, now let's dash to my back office and let me show you that. So once you are in your back office, okay, once you have registered, if you are looking to register, the link to do so is below this video description. So once you have registered and you have completed your KYC, of course you need to complete your KYC if you wish to purchase or invest in eEstate, because it is a real estate platform which requires everybody to do KYC, of course. So that being said, if you come to your buyers tab after your registration, I just want to let you know that it is possible to withdraw. Now, when you come here, select, instead of deposit, it's usually when you come to your e-wallet, it is default to deposit, but select withdrawal. When you select withdrawal, you will see where it says minimum to withdraw is $1, which is what I have been telling you guys since I started this platform. Okay, the minimum to withdraw is $1. And for those of you that are asking for the fees that are involved in the withdrawal, it's not that much. You can see that depending on the amount of money that you are withdrawing, that will determine the fee that they are going to take. So they will take $0.01, okay, or 1%. So for example, if you want to withdraw $1 today, you will receive 0.99 USDT. Okay, and then of course you should enter your 6-digit code that has been set up for you from when you registered, and then you just click confirm, and then boom, your money is in your wallet within 24 hours. Now, this is how to withdraw that I am talking about. Before this time, you should have recorded and stored your method of withdrawal. So if you want to use USDT BEP20, USDT TRC20, or if you want to withdraw through BNB, for me, I recorded and saved these 3 different addresses that I can use to withdraw anytime I want. Okay, so this is the payment method that they have. They have other different methods as well that they can use: Bitcoin, Litecoin, and all of that. They can pay in all of that, right? So this is for you to withdraw. Now, if you want to earn on a daily basis, okay, if you join this platform today and you want to begin to earn after completing your KYC, after your registration, and after you have successfully completed your KYC, you will come to your dashboard. When you come to your dashboard, click on where it says real estate on my left hand side here. Okay, once you click on the real estate, that will open up this page. Once you are on this page, on my right hand side here, you will notice that there is a profit calculator. So this profit calculator is a great tool that will help you to determine how much you are going to put in and how much you are going to be receiving. Okay, so once you click on that real estate page, on default, the property is selected on Miami's apartment, and the minimum investment is $10. As you can see below that, it tells you how much you are going to be earning on a daily basis. So remember, the thing with all this platform is the amount of money you use to start determines how much you are going to be earning on a daily basis. Of course, they have already told us that we are going to be earning between 0.4% to 1% on a daily basis, as you can see it from my thumbnail here. Okay, but just think about this, right? Somebody that is starting this platform with $10, you are earning between the same range percentage, 0.4 to 1% on a daily basis. You cannot compare the earning of a $10 to somebody that started with $1,000, for example. Okay, so even if you are on the same earning percentage bracket range, the earning of 1,000 start is different from the earning from $10 start. Okay, so the point I'm trying to make is, the more money you put in, the more money you are going to be earning on a daily basis. And here you have the option to select different apartment, different real estate. Okay, each one you pick, The profit calculator will tell you the minimum to deposit and the amount of profit you are going to be receiving on a daily basis. As I said before, the profits are paid Mondays to Fridays. There is no Saturdays, there is no Sundays, okay? Just so you know, you don't get confused and start calculating 30 days in a month. It's only 22 days in a month if you take away Saturdays and Sundays, depending on how many Sundays we have for that month, right? But if you decided to go for villa, if you select villa, it will tell you that the minimum that you can use to start the villa is $3,120. And right here, it tells you how much you are going to be earning on a daily basis, okay? Of course, this is one of my real estate that I have purchased in this platform, and I am earning about this amount on a daily basis, Monday to Friday. So in a month, I should be earning close to $400, okay, which is not bad at all. And I will break even in 7 months. So this is great opportunity if you are looking for a platform that is going to be giving you that daily cash flow, okay, because you can withdraw on a daily basis. As I showed you earlier, the beginning of this video, you can withdraw on a daily basis. So yes, guys, this platform is great. All the real estate, all the properties that you see here that are all tokenized, meaning that they have been converted and it has been decentralized, meaning that you can find them on the blockchain. Okay, you can confirm all your transactions on the blockchain, as I showed you in my previous video. Please don't sit and allow this opportunity to slide by. You need to take part in this opportunity if you want daily cash flow from your rental properties that you are going to purchase when you eventually purchase your property. Okay, so guys, it is good to have multiple source of income. This is an addition to what we have. So guys, please don't sit on this, because the more you sit on this, the more you are going to be losing on your daily income. All right, so guys, jump on this if you wish to do. The link is below this video description. How to sign up, how to deposit, how to complete your KYC, how to purchase your real estate. Everything has been done for you. All right, just take your time to watch the videos and take your time to follow all the instructions, and then you will just be fine, right? But if you have any issues, don't hesitate to contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram, or Messenger. Good luck.